the governor of Rivers State has failed in his duty, in his oath of office, to present the appropriation bill to the Rivers State House of Assembly. He has failed to do so up till this date. The Constitution in Section 121 mandates the governor to present the appropriation bill to the House of Assembly. In Section 122, the Constitution gives a window for the governor to spend in the event that there is no appropriation law, but limits that window to 6 months. Honorable members, the 6 months window allowed to the governor has since elapsed on the 30th day of June. As we speak, there is no window for the governor to spend taxpayers' money or any fund from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of Rivers State.
So, our committee is saying that since the court have taken that position, this House will inform the governor on all the infractions on the Constitution, judgment of the Court of Appeal, judgment of the High Court that he is doing against non-laws in the state. And the only thing we think we should do as a House, everything they say is the vigilant and not the indolent. This House should write and draw his attention to these judgments that are currently before us and notify him of the fact that he cannot do anything outside this House, which is led by him, and that the Omotosho's judgment ordered him, the governor, to go and represent the budget